This emergency broadcast has been transmitted by the request of a government group called the Alliance. Over the past several hours, countless entities have been spotted attacking civilians, causing collateral damage to homes, workplaces, office buildings, supermarkets, malls, factories and airports. The entities appear to be a toilet with a distorted human head in the bowl. The entities have a toothy grin, large black pupils and a black substance covering most of the toilet, face and head of the anomaly. These creatures are incredibly hostile to humans and Alliance co-workers. If you spot one, stay as far away from it as possible. Try not to make any contact with the entity. These creatures have already caused 2,710 fatalities and is rising rapidly. If one enters your home, you must follow these instructions. Avoid physical and visual contact with the entity. Barricade yourself in a safe room with supplies and weapons to defend yourself. If you obtain a vehicle and spot the creature, drive away as fast as possible. This creature is relentless and will do anything in its power to get to you. If you are caught in visual range of this creature, run away from it. If you are contained by the creature, try not to make any contact with the entity. The Alliance is deploying troops to help mitigate the situation. Please